Is Bitcoin dead once again? Do you want to know everything, the last information about the crypto world? Smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with Rodrigo Arnedo, your host for the most. And Bitcoin is going down again. So, until we don't break this line, I think we might go lower. And we have our friend Bob Lucas telling us that it's okay. There's a chance that Bitcoin bottom on Monday here in this $58,500,000, but he would like one more good solid 2 to 4 day dump for Bitcoin to get right at the 60-day cycle low and entirely clean the sentiment. We told you everything about that in this video, the 4-year cycle, and also good and bad news in the last crypto news shows. So just watch them all. Remember that we are following the stock market, and yesterday it went up in United States. It's going up in Asia and China. So why is Bitcoin going down? Because we are going down. This is not good. You see here Nvidia. Nvidia is going up. And why? Well, you have here, in my opinion, the most important variable for that answer, which is dollar broke this line. We told you we didn't want this to happen. That means that dollar is still strong right now, and now it might bounce here and keep on going higher, so that the stock market and cryptocurrencies will go down. Also, we have our own problems in the crypto world. Now, everybody just talking about US government transferring money to Coinbase in order to sell it. So it's not just the German government now selling Bitcoin, they exist in the past, but also US government doing the same. Allegedly, they have like 4,000 Bitcoin in Coinbase now. This is worth a lot of money. You see here $241 million according to this data. But this is just the beginning, because allegedly the wallet that they use holds around $13.3 billion worth of Bitcoin. That would be a disaster. Remember also that earlier in April, the government allegedly transferred 30,175 Bitcoin worth approximately $2 billion from the same wallet to Coinbase. Also, we had the trouble and the panic with empty gogs that said that they will start just giving the $9 billion worth of Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash to its creditors. And more than that, with this German government selling Bitcoin with 400 Bitcoin in Coinbase and Kraken, and the 500 that were moved to an address that we don't know which one it is. So this is mostly it. So we had a good situation for the stock market, but in the crypto world, we have all these news about governments selling cryptos, empty gogs, so many things that maybe are making people panicking. And Alan Korchan here telling us, but it is okay. We told you that we need to redistribute all this Bitcoin. If you don't want it, it's okay. There's a lot of people that want your Bitcoin. Also, he believes that the fact that they only send 4K Bitcoin and are using Coinbase Prime means it's going to be slowly auctioned off over ages. That's actually a good outcome compared to the alternative. It's not just one day and that's it. And remember that Donald Trump is allegedly a crypto bro, so maybe if he wins the elections, these sales will end. Maybe the sales in Germany will keep on going. Why a government would sell Bitcoin when you know El Salvador is doing really, really well with this idea? Remember, more information about this German dump in that video. Watch them all. And we are looking at the monthly chart. If we go lower than 60,611, then we have a worse month close than the last, and that would be no good. So is Bitcoin dead? Well, according to Bitcoin Magazine, 500 times already it's been declared dead. But I went to buy bitcoinworldwide.com, where you have all this data, this chart, and you have different pieces of informations declaring Bitcoin dead since its inception. And it's not 500 times. According to this website, it's just 385 times. 385 times during time Bitcoin has been declared. In any case, this is my crypto investment. I'm 99% in on Bitcoin when my financial advisor is telling me that Bitcoin is dead and I should have no more than 5% net worth in crypto. Remember, this is not financial advice, but we have there the fiat alternative. You go to school, you find a job, you pay your debt, you climb the ladder, and then you have vacation for 2 weeks, and you pay your mortgage, and you die. We here on Crypto News Fan on the right, we don't want that outcome. We prefer holding, and we should go to Mars or the moon. It's just 1 hour there for 7 years on Earth. That's a good place for hodling. Remember this meme time that being rich is having money, but being wealthy is having time. That's what we want. We want time, good time. And maybe gold? No, we don't want gold. We want Bitcoin. Gold is like, what? What's going on out there? And they just go and have a nice time. So goodbye, gold. Not good for us. Neither is buying houses. You have here from Mark Vidal. You can buy this in Madrid, 200 euros, K euros, and it's a small, really, really small apartment. This is crazy. So yeah, this is your alternative. So it's good that we have Bitcoin out there. Imagine paying 50% on taxes. Well, don't imagine. You have here the worst countries in the world for paying taxes. And you would say that Spain, we are bad, but there are countries that they are worst. We are number 23, 54% income taxes, consumption taxes, everything are taxes. But this is worse in Sweden, Slovenia, Belgium, Portugal. Well, interesting thing. I leave you this link in the description below in case you want to consider moving to some other place. And remember that if you don't have your tax done already, it's almost over in Spain, so you need coin tracking. Link in the description below. You have a 10% there. And back to our memes. Did you know that Charles Chaplin actually created the distracted boyfriend meme in 1922? This is from a film, and yeah, you see how he is looking there. We have even in the past other pictures out there. So interesting that we are using memes from the past to the new ones. And some good news today, or everything is dead out there. We have good news. For example, that allegedly the SEC is going to approve Ethereum ETF as soon as July the 4th. Reuters said that. So that's a good thing. But Ethereum is not going up because all of this bad news today on Bitcoin, in my opinion, even though we have another good one, the Bitcoin ETF inflow outflow was a positive day yesterday. You see there the blue line going up. So money coming in, and money coming into Julian Assange wallet. He had a donation of 8 Bitcoin. Interesting for liberty. Now he's in Australia, so good luck being free there, whereas in Canada, they are losing freedom by the minute. But nothing says the system like another Bitcoin, an anonymous whale, Bitcoin whale, donating 500K to Julian Assange. Also, it says, it, in my opinion, kids on a remote island in El Salvador using Bitcoin NFC cards to buy snacks. This is happening. This is worldwide adoption. And here you have the best explanation of Bitcoin by Julian Assange in 2014. He was telling you they can't stop you, governments can't have your money, you don't have intermediaries, you have technology like cryptography, etc., etc. And that was 2014. I leave you the link in the description below to the whole video if you want to know about how it's a math problem that it solves with mining, etc., etc. Is the market greedy today? Well, we are in the fear for the third day in a row, even though empty GOX addresses is not moving right now. It's okay, but the bubbles mostly in the red. If we go to the worst ones, we have there Singularity, Agix, and we have Fetch AI. So what's going on with artificial intelligence cryptocurrencies? Well, we had an announcement from Coinbase. It will not facilitate Ocean Fetch AI merger. Remember that these coins, they are going to merge, and Coinbase is not allowing this. You are going to keep on trading both separate tokens there. So if you want to have the merge, you should go to another exchange. And this is probably why those are going down today. I'm gonna leave you in the description below also this Fetch AI kind of calendar, what you need to know about this merge. 1st July, we're going to go and have this, and we'll see how this is interesting and relevant for our investments. I'm not really into these tokens. I have some I got, with these free courses and stuff, but not really into this. Allegedly, those are merging to create an ecosystem for AI and crypto. Well, we'll see about that. And what about Dogecoin? Tomorrow is Elon Musk's birthday, and we are not going up. What happened yesterday? Well, yesterday, I mean the year before the last Elon Musk birthday, it was a red day before a green one. So maybe we can expect today a little bit of action for Dogecoin, even though as the market conditions are not okay, maybe we don't even have that. So sad, but trader trading rate believes we are in a triangle. This one that is going to be the last, and then we have Dogecoin going to the moon, as Magic Punk Canun believes also it might go to $32 in the future. This will be so awesome. And one pro tip at the ending of this video: if you have to do know your customer, prefer using a passport over a driver license because it has no address information. Interesting tip of the day. And remember also that you have with Treasure a promotion with us. You can buy one and you can have a Treasure Save 3 for free with us. On Monday, you participate in the draw. Use the links in the description below if you want to participate, and also use the link to Bybit. We are running out of this bonus of 15 euros that you might have if you want the best crypto debit card, the one that I myself use for having all this cashback afterwards, and the 15 euros. If you want to keep on learning, remember AI News, our channel about artificial intelligence. If you want more about crypto, here with these videos on CryptoNews. Fun on the ride, Rodrigo Arnedo, health, money, love, poor in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!